What it do? What it do? You hear me? Damn, I look hit. You hear me? We just pulled up to the gun range. Finna see how she shooting this bitch. You hear me? No, they call me John Wick, man. You know what I'm saying? I got my key. Yeah, I got my key. They call me John Wick, cuz.
I take this thing right.
Finna see if she finna start dropping shit in the motherfucker.
I take this right.
Yo. Just keep it out. Just keep it out. Finna walk in this bitch and let y'all know what's going on. Boy, you garbage. He dead. He gone. Did it, dumbass. Boy got me fucked up. The nigga owed me $1,200. So I put 15 rounds in this stupid ass.
Okay.
Oh, hell no. You need gun control like a bitch. Hold on, so let's play with this. Keep your finger out the trigger. Now shoot that bitch. Keep holding that motherfucker. Do not let it go. She almost killed both our stupid ass. I don't light his ass up. Man, y'all can't hear shit my dumb ass saying, man. Just look at the skills, man. Look at the skills. Light his ass up.
It's your turn.
Put 2 on him.